Hello everyone, this is Amika Mahajan. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will discuss NCERT solved examples from electricity. First of all, let's read the statement. An electric lamp having resistance 20 ohm and conductor of 4 ohm resistance are connected to 6-volt battery. Calculate total resistance of the circuit, current through the circuit and potential difference across electric lamp and conductor. So what we find, lamp and conductor are in series with each other. So this is series combination of two resistances. यहाँ पे lamp और जो conductor है series में लगे हुए हैं, इसलिए ये series combination of resistance है. Now what is given? Resistance of lamp, resistance of conductor and voltage of the battery. What to be calculated? Total resistance of the circuit, current through the circuit and potential difference across lamp and conductor. First of all, to find resistance of the circuit, it is series combination. So individual resistances will be added. So it will be 24 ohm. दो resistances, lamp और conductor के resistance को add करने से resistance of circuit आ जाएगा. और current in the circuit find out करने के लिए what we have to do, we have to divide this voltage by total resistance of the circuit. Voltage is 6. So what I get? 1 by 4. 0.25 ampere will be the current flowing through the circuit. ये जो करंट है ये बल्ब या लैंप और कंडक्टर दोनों में सेम पास होगा क्योंकि ये सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन. इन सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन करंट रिमेन सेम थ्रू ईच कंपोनेंट ऑफ सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन. सो वोल्टेज अक्रॉस लैंप विल बी I into resistance of lamp. So what is current? 0.25. Resistance of lamp is 20. So it will be 5 volt. तो voltage across bulb कितना आ गया? 5 volt. And to find voltage across conductor, we will subtract this 5 from 6 volt. We will get 1 volt. ऐसा क्यों? क्योंकि ये 6 volt जो बैटरी का वोल्टेज है वो लैंप और कंडक्टर में डिवाइड हो रहा है. तो this voltage across bulb plus voltage across conductor will be equal to 6 volt. There is another way of calculating voltage across conductor by multiplying current of the circuit with resistance of conductor. Now current is 0.25, resistance of conductor is also given to me, that is 4, so it will be 1 volt. तो दो तरीके से हम voltage across conductor निकाल सकते हैं. Next question. Suppose resistors R1, R2 and R3 have values 5, 10 and 30 respectively in ohms. These are connected to a battery of 12 volt. Calculate current through each resistor. Total current in the circuit and total circuit resistance. Circuit का resistance तो parallel combination के resistance के equivalent value पे depend करता है, जो कि हम कैसे calculate करते हैं 1 by RP equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Because it is parallel combination, तो जो current source में से आ रहा है that will be divided among R1, R2 and R3, but voltage across each resistance will be same and it will be same as that of voltage of the battery. Now what is given? R1, R2, R3 and voltage of the battery. What to be calculated? Current through R1, R2 and R3. So to calculate current through R1, what we will use? Ohm's law. It will be V by R1. V is voltage of battery 12 divided by R1 is 5. It will be 2.4 ampere. And to calculate current through R2, we will divide 12 by 10. It will be 1.2 ampere. To calculate current through R3, 12 divided by 30. It will be 0.4 ampere. Because total current I is divided among R1, R2 and R3. So total current will be sum of individual currents passing through them. 2.4 plus 1.2 plus 0.4. So it will be 4 ampere. There is another way of calculating this current by calculating total resistance of the circuit first. In third part, we have to calculate total circuit resistance. So that will be calculated by using formula 1 by Rp equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. 1 by 5 plus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 30. We will take LCM of denominator. It will be 30. Divide this LCM by denominator and multiply answer with numerator. So what we get? 10 by 30. This is 1 by Rp equal to 10 by 30 or 1 by 3. So what will be Rp? Reciprocal of this, 3 ohm. So total resistance of circuit is 3 ohm. So I already told you that you can also calculate current by dividing voltage of the battery with total resistance of the circuit, which came out to be 3 ohm. So again we get 4 ampere. तो इस तरह से हम दो तरीके से करंट निकाल सकते हैं. एक तो अलग अलग करंट निकाल के ऐड कर दो, दूसरा टोटल रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ द सर्किट निकाल लो और बैटरी के वोल्टेज को उस रेजिस्टेंस से डिवाइड कर दो. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe my channel.